Explain.
No. But you're now in Fuetu.
What?
You're so stingy, like Amatoza, as stingy, and I like money. He was not giving me money. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Hi, Kamini! Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, side destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
How are you gonna take care of me, Lams?
How do you want me to take care of you? How?
Yo, I don't know what I need.
Me, I think I know what you know.
What do I need?
You don't need one thing, you need a lot of things.
You'll tell me after this episode. Hi, guys. How are you?
We are good, I know.
I'm good. We're actually waiting for you here. My name is Lisa, right, from CMTV. We have a show where we just ask couples a couple of questions, like a couples quiz. Would you guys be willing?
Yeah, I am willing.
Yeah, I'm also willing.
Okay. My skirt on my left, Sir Miss on my right. Okay, name?
Yeah, Ikamalam Ding Saki.
Saki and?
Nkateko. My name is Nkateko.
Okay, Ngateko, how long have you been with Saki?
For almost 6 months now.
6 months.
Yeah.
You're still going strong.
Yeah.
Saki, where did you meet her?
Yeah, we met in a restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was she just chilling there, or was she with friends, or what?
She was just chilling. Yeah.
Alone?
I saw this beautiful girl.
And you did what after?
I attacked.
Did you say, wow? Did you send the waiter, or you went yourself? Ngateko, were you impressed?
Yeah, I was. Yes,
And
I was impressed.
And do you remember the first thing he said to you?
Yeah.
What did he say?
He was like, you look so gorgeous. Why are you sitting alone?
Oh, I don't like it when guys ask that. So why were you sitting alone? I mean, solo date, Nyana.
Yeah, it was a solo date. I was bored and decided to go out. Yeah.
Okay, I like that. What is it that you like about Ngateko?
Personality yakhe. Yeah, ngumuntu okwazi uziphatha. Yeah.
Saki, what is uziphatha?
Like personality yakhe, like akacabangeli yena yedwa. Yeah, ebacabangela kunye nabanye abantu.
Okay, and does she go to groove? So then we are uziphatha. Okay, does she drink?
Yeah.
Here and there.
Yeah.
You guys drink together?
No, I don't drink.
Oh, really? Yeah. Why?
That's why I'm ngingaphuzi. Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel about dating a man that doesn't drink?
Oh, it's nice, but then sometimes it's kind of like stressing because it's always thinking right.
Yes! And you guys can't drink together.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
man.
the only one who drinks.
Yeah.
I'll pose like next.
So you get tipsy alone, etc.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Okay. What is it that you like about him, though?
Oh, he's caring. He's kind.
Yeah.
And he's so patient. And he knows how to treat me right.
Okay. I like that girl. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
8, 9.
8, 9.
Yeah.
Okay. Esaki, how much do you trust her?
I can say 9.
9. Leaving 1 for disappointment.
Yeah, for drinking also.
Wow. Okay. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. Okay. Guys, what we actually do on this show, we make couples switch phones, okay? So you switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. We're checking whether or not you're cheating on each other. I don't like that look, girl.
See.
Did you see that look?
Yeah.
So, would you be willing?
Yeah.
Ngateko,
I'm willing.
are you sure?
Yes.
Saki,
Yeah,
You
I'm
willing?
willing, yeah.
Okay, guys, let's switch our phones then. Take out your phones. Whose phone should we start with? What are you comfortable with?
You can start with mine.
Okay, cool. Oh, please just open your phone for me. I need your phone, my lady. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, here you go. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay, search. Type love you.
Okay.
What do you see?
Oh, it's only me here.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Oh, it's me and actually his sister.
Okay, delete that. Type babe. Okay, girl, I can see that. Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who he's doing favors.
Oh, I see his family members
Okay,
and also me.
okay,
Yeah, that's all.
delete that. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching.
It's me.
Oh, nice. Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
No one.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
No one.
Nice. Hey, son. Hey. Delete that. Type ageko. You never know.
Akeko.
Yo, hi, son. Your man is clean, girl. Give your man back his phone. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Okay, it's your turn, girl. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. So I could go to her WhatsApp now.
Yeah.
Okay, search. Type love you.
Like, I love you. Yeah, ngisabona mina nomamaki.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, still, it's me and him.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type ageko.
Okay. No results.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
It's me. It's who is Busis?
Yo. I don't know.
Go into the conversation. Hey.
I see good mornings, babe.
Sibona izinto apha.
Who is Busis?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Go into the media.
Nudes. Kateko, nudes.
Kwenza kantoni?
Kateko, nudes.
Yo, baby, I can explain.
Explain.
Nudes, Kateko.
I can explain.
Explain, yeah, explain.
Yo,
I want that to explain, Kateko. You explain what?
I'm sorry. Like,
What's happening?
it's
Kateko.
someone that I've been seeing for almost 3 months now.
Kateko,
So you've been cheating?
The thing when you
I'm
are
sorry.
telling me
It was
that
a mistake. It was a mistake. But you're now in too.
What?
Yo, you're so stingy. Like, I'm a cause I stingy and me now I like money. He was not giving me money.
Kateko.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Kateko. Kateko.
I'm sorry, bro.
3 months.
I'm sorry.
I've been loyal to you, Kateko.
I know.
3 months, Kateko.
I know, but I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
My Scott, give me the phone.
Yo,
3, Kateko.
I'm sorry. Nitsi, I'm sorry.
Ooh, it nearly locked.
2 months, Kateko. And also you send notes.
But
Nudes.
yazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda, like it was just a mistake. I don't know.
The whole 3 months.
I don't know. When you confused, I don't know what was happening.
Okay.
You just said,
Like
Come
baby
close, come
Nakuranza,
closer.
it's only you.
but you just said you are cheating because it's stingy.
It just slipped out of my
Come
mouth.
closer, Kateko.
But what if I'm shy?
We're calling Usbune.
Yeah.
Let's actually.
3 months.
That's it.
Kateko.
It was a mistake.
Hello, can I please speak to Sbu? Hello? Okay, just talk to him.
Sawubona ba?
Sosoba,
Kunjani?
ephile umzala ba.
Ya ngiyaphile. Benithetha noSibusisi.
Uzizwe ya imina lo ba.
Ya. Ebafu, ndibona lana kwenzekani phakathi kwakho noKateko.
Kahle.
Ya.
Ifro yami leyo ba.
Ah.
Yini ehlanganisa nayo?
Number phone ndidate nayo Kateko.
Angizwa kahle ba.
Explain Kateko.
Talk to your man, Nagunkateko.
Hello.
Kahle.
Explain.
Yo. Do you hear me?
Kahle.
Hello.
Kahle, ngiyakuzwa.
Explain. Yo, angazi ukuthi I don't even know where to start.
Asodele phakathi ba. Thetha Kateko.
Yo.
Khuluma.
Yo, I can't talk.
Yo, asa.
Ekubhena ka wena.
Kateko 6 months.
Yo, I'm sorry. I don't even know ukuthi I don't know. It was like there's a whole lot of things that is happening and
Une pride still.
I'm sorry.
Yo, asa.
Ngiyakuthanda, like I love
But
you.
lo nto wena uyibonakalisi nje.
Are you gonna stay, my skirt? You're done.
I am done with Kateko.
Kateko. You can leave us, my girl.
I am done with Kateko.
We don't even have anything to say anyway, so you
I
can
will find another lady that is better than me.
But
Yes.
Ngiyakuthanda, like ngiyakuthanda.
laughing my ass off. Wow.
I'm loyal to you for 6 months, Kateko.
I know and I love you, but angazi ukuthi
6 months,
But you
Kateko, the whole
stingy.
6 months.
That's what you said, Kateko.
something happened. I don't know. Ish. Baby, I'm sorry. Ngiyaxolisa.
Go and start new life with Sbu.
Usbu, it's fine. You can go, my skirt.
I am done with you.
You. Hey.
The whole 6 months.
I'm so sorry,
The
ne.
whole 6 months.
Hi, Kamini. Ooh. You.
The whole 6 months.
You, Betuna. My skirt, please let her go, ne.
I am done with you.
Yes, sis, please let her go, ne. My skirt, do you have transport to go home? You'll be fine.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll just take a walk.
Okay. Okay, we need to see you leave.
Okay. I am done with you, Kateko.
Oh my God. Ah, Lamini. Where should we stand? I don't even know where to stand because I don't want to stand in front of someone's gate. Yo, Lamini.
Now you look like a Kateko.
I feel so sick.
You know, even your smile is not proper today. It's not the smile we know.
I feel like I'm about to vomit.
No, when you decide to vomit, please tell me.
What are you going to do about it?
I'll just... When you decide to, please do tell me.
You're so nasty, Lamini.
No. Yeah, you look sick. You don't look okay today.
I know.
You're not.
I know. Hey, Cookie, comment. There's a comment. Can I actually... I don't know if I'm going to find it.
Oh, baguette.
I'm too sick for this.
Yeah, the queen is sick. Yeah, the queen yaseLondon iyagula namhlanje. She's not okay.
Queen yaseLondon?
Yeah. I'll see you queen yaseLondon.
No, Lamini, I'm not.
Why good?
Oh, I didn't think the whole thingy. Wait, this is taking forever. I didn't screenshot the whole comment.
You should have.
I should have, ne? Hiyo ngathi ndizawuwa.
Angila duze wakho or catch.
Even another comment. Uthi ba Dikobe Malachi. It's not Liz's problem. You chose to live where you cannot afford the rent. Hamba mos. I niyadika. You guys just started flirting at the end of the episodes. Lee did not ask you guys to start your shenanigans. Now she wants to hold him to a ransom. Can't even speak English. I guys know, and this channel has helped her grow, man. She wasn't all that when she arrived. Barely watchable. Kuchuba, dikobe malaji. Abandia sokola, I can't afford my rent.
That's why sifuna imali kumlungu yama conversation ne. Abanye abantu mina ngazi bacabanga.
Baba ndiyasokola.
No, honestly speaking, angazi bacabanga kanjani.
Nama ndiyazi.
Because
And I think more than anything, you'll say one detail about your life, and then Umdu will is gonna decide whether they have it all figured out about your life.
ngento eyi-1.
That's
That's not even true.
I've got a 9 to 5. I work for an engineering firm. Don't see me kwa CMTV and assume, oh, shame, unontsokolo. That can't have
Bafethe ezinye izinto that you guys say.
Don't
Azikho
ever.
right.
Don't ever.
But before you say something, you write something about someone. Awuthathe leyo nto uyibhekise ngakwena. And see how it feels. Yabo?
How dare?
Bafethu. It's wrong.
It's I think
wrong.
it's also just looking down on us.
Yeah, it's wrong. Mfethu.
There's a girl, Appa, she's a DJ, and she showed us her daily life. It turned out she was a doctor. People were shocked. Why are you shocked? You're shocked because you're looking down on her. Why are you shocked? Yeah, the other time when I did my jaw surgery, in a very weird tone, who paid for the jaw surgery? Baba, I'm a slave queen who needs men to pay for things. Baba, my mom is so poor that there's no way she could have paid for jaw surgery. Yabona leyo into ningalingane ngiqheleka kubim. It's something I'm addressing for the last time. You don't know my pockets. I'm not rich, but don't ever in your entire life dikobe malachi.
Yeah, that
This
was
is
wrong.
you.
Mfethu, that was wrong.
Ungalingane
Honestly,
ngiqheleka
that was
kubim.
wrong.
Don't ever.
I know, Bafethu, you guys think that you have the right to say whatever.
Whatever.
Nathi, yabo? But before you say anything, think, mfethu, cabanga.
You can say anything. You can say,
Mfethu, cabanga,
I'm fat,
mfethu.
I'm old, I'm ugly, but other things, we need to draw the line somewhere. I think I'm done, Dlamini.
Asambe vele mfethu.
Ne?
Asambe.
You are cool, but I had to address it. Thank you very much. I'll be activating my Instagram very soon. I've got fire pictures coming up because I've been gone for a long time. Funeka nive ba ndi girl.
You said fire pictures. I think before they go to IG, they have to start at
Start where?
with Department of
Go
Chief Affairs
So you need to check them.
and approve. Because you cannot just post anything, G, without my approval. I have to approve. But yeah, this one you can post.
Okay, Dlamini.
So I said,
I'll think about it. I need you to see the pictures with everybody else.
no. Ake ngithole lo privilege leyo ukuthi nje yabo. Yeah, ake ngizibone kuqala. Ngizibone kuqala before abantu bazibone. So
Okay, fine,
do
Dlamini.
me that favor.
I'll send you just one. A sneak
One,
peek.
yeah, sneak peek, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Let me just,
Okay.
yeah, and then I approve. Then you go ahead. The rest I'll see.
Okay, fine. Anyways, guys, check for me on Monday. I'll be back by Monday.
On Monday, ne? Oh, yini ke sana?
Yeah.
Ngomvulo ke sana.
Yeah, it's on
Uzakuvile ngomvulo.
literally.
Eh.
But anyway, let's close. All right, CMTV viewers.
Imali futhi. Asazi.
Because asicela imali sidingi singonontsokolo. Oh, niyasiqhela yo. Anyway. All right, CMTV viewers, it's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram welcome _ Dlamini 88. Ngiyabonga abantu abangifollowayo. TikTok it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabo.
Dikobe Malachi, this is for you.
Nami
Thank
ngenza.
you for
Nami ngenza. Yenza ke. That's next.
Oh, sorry.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yasebebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.